Hey guys, I'm out here, got the 2003 Fat Boy out. Did a lot of country riding this weekend, so I want to show you guys how I clean this bike. It takes me less than 10 minutes. I do it for basically under 10 bucks. So what I use is rainx waterless car wash. It works perfect for it. It's like $9.95 at your local auto parts store. And then at the Dollar Tree, they have these awesome driver's choice microfiber towels. So really for 10 bucks, it takes me about 10 minutes. And what I do is I wipe it down before I go out, and that just gives it a nice coat on it. So a lot of the bugs and dirt and stuff, doesn't stick to begin with. And then when I come home, it's another 10 minutes, and that's it. This is gonna be great if you're one of those guys who just rather ride than wash your bike. This is a way to keep it looking half decent without dragging out the hose and all that. I wash this thing maybe once or twice a year. If I hit some red clay dirt roads, obviously I'll have to wash it then, but for the most part, this is all I use to get it done. So I'm gonna show you guys just how quick it is to wipe down. This is the product, no sponsorship. rainx waterless car wash and rain repellent. And like I said, Dollar Tree microfiber towel. And really that's all you need for this. So I'm gonna wipe it down. I got some before shots for you, hopefully you can see it, and I'll just show you how easily this cleans up. Yep, so that was it guys, 10 minutes, probably not even. 10 bucks for the products, the rainx waterless, Dollar Tree microfiber cloth. I mean, the bike just comes out looking good. It actually looks like you spent time washing it. And in this heat, you know, who wants to spend any more than 5 minutes out here anyway? So that's the way to do it. Get that bike ready for bike night. Get it ready, you know, quick wipe down before you park it for a couple days. I highly recommend this stuff. Like 3 to 5 years using it in Florida, using it here in Alabama. Can't say enough about it. So if you have that product near you, go ahead and check it out. No sponsorship, but I thought I'd share that with you guys. Go ahead and hit that like, hit that subscribe. I'll keep this content coming out to you guys. Later.